How to recover deleted messages on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to restore deleted text messages on an iPhone using different recovery methods. So let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open your Messages app, and right now I'm going to delete a message to show you how I can recover that. Now, for example, this is the message that I have deleted, so you're going to click on delete. And once you have deleted the message, now if you have accidentally deleted the message, what you're going to do is click on edit here at the top left. And then you're going to click on show recently deleted, and here you're able to see the specific message that you just deleted. And here you can click on it and then click on recover. Then you're going to click on recover to messages, and here you can see that you have successfully recovered the deleted messages. So that was how you can recover deleted messages on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.